Bonjour, Français 2, c'est Madame Torres. So this week, I'm actually going to talk to you a little bit about DBAs. One more time, you probably heard me mention DBAs many times already before, but this is something that's really important for this class, so I want to make sure that you're able to get it done. Basically, you have 2 DBAs due per semester, and you have to complete those DBAs with me and pass them. And we have to speak. So either using a microphone in a live lesson or on the phone, but some way or another we have to communicate verbally and talk a little bit about what you've learned in those modules. From what I have here with your French class, if you're in semester 1, you had to complete module 1 DBA, and soon you're going to be completing module 4 DBA. So keep that in mind, and remember to use the Help Center, right? Whenever you get stuck on anything. For semester 1 students, you have a note-taking guide for module 1 still, and as you scroll down to module 4, you also have one for module 4. So that's only for semester 1. Semester 2 is a little bit different. You also have a review video for the modules. So if you're in semester 1 and you need to get either module 1 or 4 DBAs done, I need you to make sure that you download the note-taking guide for your module and watch the module review video. So again, you have that for module 4 and you have that for module 1, note-taking guide and review video. You need to make sure you watch those before you schedule an appointment for your DBA. And to schedule it, you can do it right here where it says book now. The absolute last day that I'm allowing students to complete a DBA is not in June, but May 27th. May 27th. So that's a little bit more than a month away. And that's more than enough time, I think, for you to make sure you get your DBAs done. I will not be doing DBAs after that because I know that we'll be working on finishing up your other assignments. And I've purposefully made the DBAs due in modules that are not at the end of the semester to make sure that you're able to get your DBAs done in time. So again, no DBAs for anyone will be completed after May 27th. Keep that in mind, start reviewing, and book it as soon as possible. It's only like four weeks, pretty much. You have 4 weeks to try and get it done. Do not wait until the last minute because it's really important. And you won't be able to finish the class if it's not completed. For semester 2 students, this week you have the module 9 exam and then the opening of, let's see here, of module 10. So here I have for this week due, we have 10 and 10:01. Our live lesson though this week is still going to be centered around completing DBAs. And I know I have students in French 1, or sorry, semester 1 and semester 2 that need to get their DBAs done. So guess what? This week, Thursday, I'm allowing anyone from French 2 to come in and complete whatever DBA they have left. Just click on the live lesson link on Thursday around 2:45. Make sure you come earlier because there will be other students here to complete their DBA. For semester 2, you have to complete module 6 DBA and module 9 DBA. Module 9 DBA was kind of due last week, but I'm also taking it this week. And this might be the last and only chance that you have to complete a DBA in a live lesson. So I highly suggest that you attend and get this done. To review for module 6 and module 9, if you still have your module 6 DBA to do, you can go on to the Help Center, download the vocabulary list, watch these videos, right? Watch a couple of these videos and then review. The main thing that I want to make sure you remember from module 6 has to do with object pronouns. So 603 and 605, those are very, very important lessons. And you need to make sure that you take the time to review from them. Remember that if you miss a live lesson, you just click on where it says miss a live lesson, and I have a bunch of recordings there as well for module 6. So I just opened it up now. And let's see what we have. I'll let that load. For module 9, as I scroll down on your Help Center, here we go. Module 9 is a little shorter, you can see, right? So module 9, definitely download the vocabulary list. You're going to want to have that, and definitely review the future tense. You have a module 9 review video here. For this DBA, you need to be able to use the future tense with regular and irregular verbs. So make sure you know which verbs are irregular in the future tense, and of course that's in the lesson. You have to use a lot of vocabulary for sea life, wildlife, things like that, and you have to be able to tell me a little bit about the island of Martinique. So let's see, it's still loading. Let me move me out of the way here. So here we go, Module 6, there's some help here. There's a Module 6 review. I said it's on the Health Center. But we go over Lesson 605 a lot. Check that out. Oops, it moved. Okay, we go over Lesson 605 a lot. Help with 601 and 603. These YouTube videos are amazing, right? Watch these 3 YouTube videos. Very good review if you haven't done your Module 6 DBA yet. And then for Module 9, here are the reviews. We did 9.0 and 9.01 here. We went over 9.02 and 9.03 here. We talked a little bit about the collaboration. So those are some really good reviews for the DBA. That's pretty much everything that you have for this week. That was my spiel about little reminders.